Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So here I am with our fourth part and the final part of our video, which is solutions of model question paper, okay, 2022. So till now I have solved all the questions of multiple choice 1, 2 and 3 mark section. In this video I will be solving the fourth and 5 mark question from this section, from the given question paper. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, kindly do subscribe it, and also don't forget to like, comment and share the video after watching and finding it useful. Okay, so let us start with our first question. Here it is question number 34. See, what have they given? Construct a triangle of sides 6 centimeter, 4 and 7 centimeter. Then construct another triangle whose corresponding sides are 3 by 4. This is very important, of the first triangle. So you can judge the new triangle formed will be smaller than the previous one or bigger by looking at the factor. What is the factor here? 3 by 4. So if this is your original triangle ABC, you can I'm just giving one example. 7, this is 6 and this is 4, imagine. Okay, so the new triangle formed will be less smaller than the bigger one. Why? Because remember, if numerator is smaller, it means the new triangle formed will be smaller. It will come something like this. It will come like this will be near A, so this is A dash, this is C dash and B is common. Okay, so A dash, C, A dash, B and C dash is a new triangle. You will get like this. And if it was 4 by 3, it will be a little bigger than the first triangle. Okay, so remember this trick. Now let us start. So you can draw a rough figure here like this, ABC. Okay, BC is 7, so first draw a line BC. Okay, BC 7 centimeter. Okay, and then from B, what you have to do, take a measure of 4 centimeter in the compass and cut an arc from here, keeping the needle over here. Cut an arc like this, 4 centimeter, and from C cut an arc of 6 centimeter. Okay, it will come somewhere over here, for example. Okay, I'm not going as per scale, so it may vary, but you do it using compass and pencil, and then join wherever those two arcs meet. Okay, and then join this. So this is your new triangle ABC. This is the first triangle which they have given the dimensions. Now the new triangle is the corresponding sides of that is 3 by 4. So what you have to do, you have to draw a line BX, okay, such that this angle is less than 90 degree. Always remember, 90 is this. If it is perpendicular, make sure it is less than 90. It can be like this, like this, like this, like this, any, but not like this. It should not be straight to this line. Okay, so like this you can make. Got it? And then what you have to do, see, in 3 by 4, which is the biggest number? 4. So cut bx into 4 equal parts. Okay, let me cut like this. 1 using compass and pencil. 2, 3 and 4. Now name them as b1, b2, b3 and b4. Okay, now in 3 by 4, if you see a denominator, it is 4. So remember this trick. DJ wale babu, you have remembered the song, right? So D refers to denominator, J refers to join. So whatever number is there in denominator, join it from there to C. So it is 4, so from B4 join C like this using scale and pencil. Okay, now from 3 you have to join, okay, here from this point, but where we don't know, here. For that we need to measure this angle. Okay, this angle should be same as the angle from B3 to that line. So you can take your compass, okay, measure this angle. Okay, then again from here cut an arc. See, how can you measure? If you keep needle over here, the pointer of compass over here, and pencil over here, you can cut an arc like this. Similarly, with the same arc you can cut from here, keeping the needle at B3. Now you have to measure this distance here to here. So use your compass needle like this and measure this distance. Similarly, keep the needle over here and cut the arc whatever you have got from here. Then join this wherever you got the arc like this. You can join it from B3 and make sure these two lines are parallel. So you have to extend it on line BC. So whatever point you got here, it is C dash. Okay. Now from C you have to draw a line parallel to AC on AB. How are you going to do that? Similar, you have to apply the similar trick here, method here. From C, cut an arc like this, okay, to join this line and this AC line. You will get the angle. Using the same measurement, point your needle at C dash and cut an arc of the same length. Now this distance, whatever distance is given here, this to this, keep your pointer over here and cut an arc like this, and then join the one which is intersected and extend it till AB dash, AB. So the new point formed on AB is called as AB dash. So this is the required triangle, A dash, B and C dash. Now, it is not straight, you can make it straight. So you can write at last A dash, B, C dash is the new required triangle, and triangle A dash, B, C dash is similar to which one? A, B, C. Okay, if you write this much, that will be enough and you will get full marks. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Now moving to next question, question number 35. So the question is, solve graphically x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. So this is very important question. It is mostly asked in 4-mark section. Always it has been asked, always. So practice this type of question. Okay, if you practice 2 to 3 problems, you can easily solve and score 4 marks in your final exam. Okay, so what you have to do for this equation, you should get the values of x and y. Same with this equation, you have to get the values of x and y. Okay, so I'm taking the first equation, x plus y is equal to what? 5. So what will be y here? It will be equal to 5 minus x, correct? Now you have to make a box like this. Okay, minimum 5 values are enough, x and y. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now, so to which value you should start? Do we know that? No. From 0, 1 or 10, 15, we don't know. So I will tell you a trick which you can follow. See what you do in your rough work. You can solve this. You know how to solve by elimination method, right? So first solve it. You'll get how much? 2x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. So you got the value of x. What is that? 3. So now keep this trick. You know the value of x, how much? 3. So graphically also you'll get the value of x, 3 only. So in this box, the middle number you keep it as 3. Okay, for x, remember this. And since here for this equation denominator is what? In the RHS it is 1. So just take 1 minus of this. 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, and here 3 plus 1 is 4, here subtraction and here addition. 4 plus 1 is 5. These 5 values are enough. Now substitute in the equation and write. When x is 1, what will be y? Y will be 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. So this is 4. When x is 2, y will be 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. Similarly, when x is 3, y will be how much? 5 minus 3, which is equal to how much? 2. So you can see this is repeating, 4, 3, 2, 1, and this will be 0. Okay, you can write it. Got it? I hope you have understood this step. Similarly, you have to do it for the next line. Okay, the next equation. Okay, this was the first equation. I will write the next equation also here. See, now the second equation is x minus y is equal to 1. So what is y? Here since it is minus y, it will be 1 minus x if you transfer this to LHS. Now to make this plus, I have to multiply throughout by minus. So this becomes minus, the minus becomes plus, and this becomes minus 1, and this is plus x. So the equation is y is equal to x minus 1. Okay, or else you can also write like this. If you transfer this y to RHS, this comes to LHS, so this become x minus 1. So even this and this are same. Y is equal to x minus 1. Now again make the table. Okay, and you already have the values of x. You substitute the same values 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and find the y values in substituting this. So when x is 1, what is y here? Y 1 minus 1, which is 0. So now it is 0. When x is 2, what is y? Y is 2 minus 1, this is 1. When x is 3, what will be y? 3 minus 1, 2. Next, when x is 4, what is y? 4 minus 1, which is 3. And when x is 5, what is y? It is 5 minus 1, which is 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Now if you look at both these tables, there will be one value which is repeated for x and y. 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2. Yes, if you look at this, these two values are repeated. It shows what? That is our answer in the graph. So how to draw graph? Yes, this is x-axis, here y. In both of these, the lowest value of x is 1 and highest is 5. So here you can mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After writing this much, you have to write refer the graph. Okay, because in your exam graph sheet will be provided either in the beginning. Okay, it will be provided in the beginning of your answer sheet, and this you will be writing somewhere in the middle of the answer sheet. So write like this, refer the graph, and in graph sheet also you write this question number 35 answer. Okay, even this, don't forget to mention that. Now look at here, y highest value is here 4 and lowest is 0, again 0 and 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here you have to write the scale. X axis, what you are taking? 1 unit as 1, right? 1 unit is equal to 1, and along y axis what you are taking? There also 1 unit you are taking as 1. Now look at the first table. When x is 1, y is how much? 4. So 1 and 4, it will come somewhere over here. 2, 3, x is 2, y is 3, so it will come somewhere over here. 3 and 2, 3, 2, it will come somewhere over here. 4 and 1 here, 5 and 0. Now join these using scale, it will form a straight line. This is for which one? Yes, this is for the line x plus y is equal to 5. So you have to mention that equation. Now similarly come to this points here. When x is 1, y is 0. So x is 1, y is 0. It will come on this line only. Next, when x is 2, this is 1. So x is 2, and y you have to look on y axis. Y is how much? 1. Next 3, 2. It will be same here. Next is 4 and 3. So 4 on x is here, 3 on y is here. So they will meet over here, join. 5 and 4. So 5 on x axis will form there, and 4 will come over here. So when you join them, you'll get another straight line, and this is for the equation which one? Yes, x minus y is equal to 1. Now this point where these two lines are meeting is which? What is that? 3, 2. So you can write from the graph, okay, the value of x is 3 and y is 2. That's all. Okay, and you can also notify these values also. This is 1, 4. This is 2, 3. This is 3, 2. This is 4, 1, and this is 5, 0. Okay, you can mention these values also. Okay, so this is the final answer of this question. With this you will get 4 marks without fail. Okay, I hope it's clear. Now moving to the next question. I hope you have understood. If yes, kindly do like the video, okay, and later you can share it with your classmates or any student who belongs to class 10. Okay, SSLC. Moving to next one, 36. What have they given? There is a figure you can see. Okay, let me zoom it. Yeah, now look at the let us read the question. The angle of depression from the top of a vertical tower okay, from the top of a vertical tower to a point on the ground is found to be 60 degree, and from a point 50 meter above the foot of the tower, the angle of depression to the same point is found to be 30 degree as shown in the figure. Find the height of the tower. So if you look at this figure, okay, this is that tower. What is the tower? AC. So let me draw it here. Okay, this is A and this is C. This is the tower. Okay, now when they are looking at D from C, when the top of the, so from C, you, the angle of depression when the object is at D is how much? Angle of depression is this angle from horizontal to the line of sight. They have given it as 60 degree. Okay, now from the foot till B, tower is how much? 50 meter in height from this point. It is B. Now the angle is how much? Angle of depression is how much? With horizontal, this is how much? They have given it as 30 degree. Now this is 50. They have asked you to find the height of tower. So if you know BC, okay, you can add with AB, correct? And this will give you what? AC, which is the height of tower, isn't it? But how to find BC? Okay, so before that, let me do one thing. I will join this horizontal vertical line from D, okay, equal to C, just a minute, sorry, C, अरे, क्या हो गया? Okay, sorry, C, FCD angle is equal to CDA, okay, you can write this, which is equal to how much? 60 degree. Why? Because of alternate angle, you can write it. And similarly, EBD, angle EBD is equal to angle BD, what is that? A, which is equal to 30 degree. Okay, why I did this? See, because we have this side, okay, in triangle BDA, okay, we have BD, we have angle 30, so we can definitely find AD, correct? So using tan 30 here, you will get, what is tan? Opposite by adjacent, correct? What is opposite? AB by AD. Okay, so using this formula, we can write tan 30 is 1 by root 3. What is AB? It is 50 divided by AD. So doing cross multiplication, we get AD as 50 root 3 meter. So keep it as it is. Now look at this triangle. Let me show it in different color. This triangle from here till here. Okay, so in this, if you see, if I take triangle, this is also triangle CDA, A is 90 degrees, so we can apply our this trigonometric ratios. Tan 60 will be what? It will be CA by opposite side by adjacent AD, correct? Now tan 60 is root 3. CA, what can we write CA as? You can see it here. We can write that as BC plus AB, correct, divided by what is AD? We have just now got it as 50 root 3, correct? So on solving this, we'll get cross multiply, so 50 into root 3 into root 3 is equal to BC plus AB. Okay, so this will be 50 into 3, root 3 will give 3. BC is how much? We don't know, but we know that AB is how much? It is 50, correct? So this is 150, which is equal to BC plus 50. So on transferring these two LHS, this becomes 150 minus 50, which is equal to BC. So therefore BC is how much? 100. So since this BC is 100, the total AC will be how much? Yes, it is 100 plus 50, which is equal to 150 what? Yes, 150 meters. Since they have given everything in meter, the height of the tower is 150 meter. Okay, so if you write this much, you will get full marks. Okay, and you can also mention these all. I hope it is clear. Now moving to the last question of 4 mark section. So the question is, a train travels 360 kilometer at a uniform speed. Okay, if the speed had been 5 kilometer per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. Okay, so this is also very interesting question. See, uh, this is the distance. Imagine what is the total distance. It is 360 kilometer, correct? Yes. Now a train is moving with uniform speed. So let me take that uniform speed as x, correct? What is the unit? Kilometer per hour. Since they have given kilometer per hour, you know this formula, I hope. Speed is equal to distance by time, correct? Speed is what? Distance by time. Therefore we get distance unit is kilometer and time is, here we have taken hour, so distance by time is kilometer per hour. So this is the speed, and what will time it will take? If it goes normally, it will take t hour. Okay, let me take t hours, correct? And what is the distance it's covering? It's covering the distance of 360 kilometer. Now in the second case, what they have given, if the speed had been 5 kilometer more, means if, you can write here, if speed, look at here, if speed was 5 kilometer per hour more, then what will the speed will become? X plus 5. This is your new speed, correct? X plus 5 kilometer per hour, correct? It would have taken 1 hour less time. So time, it would have taken 1 hour less. So t minus 1 hour it would have taken, correct? Now see, how are you going to get the equation? See, in both of the cases the distance remains the same. How much? 360 kilometer only, correct? Even if the speed changes, this is the case 1 and this is the case 2. What remains same? Yes, it is the distance which remains the same. So we are going to equate that only. Distance is equal to distance. Okay, now what is the formula to find distance? If you look at this, distance is equal to speed into time, correct? If I transfer this to here, this becomes speed into time. So here distance becomes speed into time. So what is speed? It is x into what is time? T. And what is distance? 360, correct? Similarly here, distance is equal to speed into time. Here distance is same, 360. But what is speed? Yes, here speed is x plus 5 into what is time? It is t minus 1. So these two equations, you can take this as 1 and this as 2, or this as 1 and this as 2. Now equating 1 and 2, 1 is equal to 2. So d is equal to d. We can write here x plus 5 into t plus 1, t minus 1. T is time. Remember, x is the distance, speed, sorry. T minus 1 is equal to x into t. But we have to keep this in either t or x form. So what we will do, we will write here x as, from this equation you can write x as 360 by t. Understood? So wherever you have x, okay, let me write here this as 360 itself. Wherever you have x in this equation, you can write it as 360 by t plus 5 into t minus 1 is equal to 360. With this, what we will get? We will get time, but they have asked the speed. So what should I do? I will keep, you can do like this also. This is also okay. When you solve, see, you will get time, and from that, if you substitute in this, you will get speed. That is also fine. So let me do this. So t is common. This becomes 360 plus 5t on doing LCM is equal to, what is this? T minus 1, which is equal to 360, correct? Now on further solving it, if I bring this to RHS, this becomes 360 by t minus 1, and this is how much? 360 plus 5t by t. Okay, now do the cross multiplication, this with this and this with this. So this become 360 plus 5t into t minus 1, and this becomes 360 into t. Okay, now solving this, you have to multiply with both of these. So 360 into t minus 1 plus 5t into t minus 1 in which is equal to 360t. So multiply this becomes 360 into t minus 360 plus 5t square minus 5t which is equal to 360. Bring everything to LHS. This becomes 360t minus 360 plus 5t square minus 5t minus 360 t equals to 0. Now this and this will get cancelled. So on writing in arranged form, you'll get 5t square minus 5t minus 360 which is equal to 0. You can divide the whole equation by 5 since it is common. So this becomes t square minus t, correct, and 5 7 is 35, 5 2 is 10, 72 equals to 0. Now this is in the form of a quadratic equation, correct. So on solving, this is 72 minus 72 and here is minus 1. I hope you know this. You have to split the middle term. Middle term is minus 1 here and the last term is 72. So you need two numbers such that when you multiply you get minus 72 and on adding or subtracting you should get minus 1. So it is obviously 9 8 is 72, and if this is minus you will get 9 minus 8 8 1 and 9 8 is 72 minus. So substitute it, t square minus 9t plus 8t minus 72 equals to 0. So t is common, you can take t minus 9 here, and 8 is common here, again you get t minus 9 which is equal to 0. So now t minus 9 is common, so you get t plus 8 equals to 0. So on solving this, you'll get t minus 9 equals to 0 and t plus 8 equals to 0. So t is 9 and here t is minus 8, and time cannot be negative, so we can take time is 9 hour positive. Now you have got t. What about x? So x is 360 by t which is equal to 360 by 9, and that is 40, 9 4 is 40 kilometer per hour. So this is the speed of the train is 40 kilometer per hour. I hope you have understood this. Okay, so it is very simple, you just have to understand and solve. Got it? Now moving to the last question of this section, that is OR question. So the question says, by selling an article for rupees 18.75, a person loses okay, as much percent as it's cost him in rupees. Find the cost price of the article. So you should know some basics of this commercial arithmetic problem. Okay, uh, I hope you know about cost price, selling price, profit and loss. Okay, loss is what? When you buy something and sell it at a higher price, right? So when selling price is more than cost price, is it loss or profit? Yes, it is profit, not loss. Okay, so loss is equal to CP minus SP. Here this is profit, not loss. Okay, this is profit. Now loss will happen when cost price is more and selling price is less. So this is the loss formula. Got it? You have to remember this. And also loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. You should also remember this formula. Got it? Now see what they have given here in the question. The cost by selling an article for this means they have given selling price which is equal to 18.75 rupees. A person he loses as much percent as it cost him, means the loss percent is equal to the cost price, correct. They have mentioned he loses as much percent, means loss percentage, as it cost him in rupees, which is equal to cost price. So I will take this as x. Okay, now we know that what is loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. What will be loss? Using this formula, if you see, loss will be how much? Loss will be equal to loss percentage into CP by 100, correct? Using this formula. So here what is loss percentage? It is X into what is CP? It is also X divided by 100, which is equal to CP. What is CP? It is again X minus SP. What is that? 18.75. So this is the equation which you will get. Now on solving this further, you will get X into X square, which is equal to, you transfer this 100 to RHS, this becomes X minus 18.75 into 100. So this is again a quadratic equation, correct? 1875. So bring everything to LHS. 100x minus becomes plus 875 equals to 0. Now this you have to do the factorization. 875, okay, such that on solving, the multiplication should give you 875 and addition or subtraction should get you 100. So how are you going to do that? Do it by factorization. See, 5 ones are 5, 3 is carry, so 5 sevens are 35, 2 is carry, 5 fives are 35. Now again 5 3s are 15, 5 here how much is 25, so 5 5s are 25, correct? Now again 5 sevens, right? So you need two numbers such that multiplication of that will give, product will give 875 and this addition or subtraction should get you 100. So if I take here 5 sevens are 35, right? Or and here 5 5s are 25. So 35 and 25, what is their sum? Is it equal to 100? No. Then what you are going to do? I think I have done some mistake over here. Yeah, it is 1875. I have written just 875. Change it. Sorry. Just that's why I'm not getting it. It's just writing errors, like typing errors. Yes, 1875. Do it. So 5 3s are 15, 3 carry. 5 5s are 5 7s are 35, 2 carry. So 5 5s are, yes. Now 5 7s are, and here how much you get? 2. 5 5s, correct? So 5 ones are again 5 5s. Now 5 3s. So if you take these two, 5 5s are 25, and how much is this? 5 5s are 25, 25 3s are 75. Now if you take these two, 25 and 75, are they equal to 100? If you multiply, if you add, yes, and if you multiply, yes, you will get. So 75 into 25 if you do, and both taking them as minus, then these two is 100 and multiplication will give you 1875. So on substituting you'll get this much, okay? 1875 equals to 0. So x is common, x minus 75 you will get. Here 25 is common, so again x minus 75 you will get. So x minus 75 is common, so you get x minus 25, which is equal to 0. So now on substituting both with 0, you'll get x as 75 or x as 25. Both of them are positive, so you can take either of the value. Therefore cost price is equal to 75 rupees or cost price is equal to 25 rupees. Okay, so this is the answer. I hope it is clear. See, one more thing. In both the cases, cost price is greater here, right? 75 and 25. It's not less than this selling price. Therefore, our answer is correct. Okay. So, I hope you have understood this problem. This is a very important problem. You can practice this. This type of problem can be expected from the exam. Okay, now moving to the last question. What is it? And this is a 5-mark question section. Here you will be getting a theorem, either BPT, Pythagoras, or areas related to similar triangles. Most of the time they have asked only from these three. Okay, so practice these three very well. So they have given state and proof. So you have to write the statement first and then you have to prove it. I will be sharing the link of this question in the description box, because I have already made a video on that. You can watch and learn it from there. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you have liked it, do share it with your friends and also subscribe the channel. We'll see you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Have a great day.